Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is to help those who are comparing these two Honda models here together, okay? We're going to be showing you guys the basic information on the 2022 Honda Civics and then the 2022 Honda Civic Hatchbacks, okay? You guys want some more additional information, more in depth, check out my walk-around videos. I'll be glad to answer all of your questions about the standard features and functions from that point, all right? Now let's go get that general information right now to get started. Alright guys, let's answer the very first question here from the get-go. Let's talk about pricing options between these two. What is the price range? Just throw it right up here. Take a moment, take a look at that, guys, alright? As you're looking at that, let's also further discuss how these vehicles are equipped or what are the different packages and trim levels available to these models, okay? So now with the sedans, you'll be starting off with the entry level is going to be the LX, then it goes to the Sport, then you get to the EX, then the Touring model. Now over there for the hatchbacks, your entry level is going to be the LX, the Sport, EXL, then the Sport Touring. Now also keep you guys on a little footnote down there, the Sport and the Sport Touring for the hatchbacks are available in a CVT or a 6-speed manual transmission, alright? So if you guys want that stick, you guys can get that right there. Now it's also in consideration that both of these vehicles are only available in a front wheel drive. Now, you are going to have two different engine options that you can choose between these vehicles, all right? So both of these, for example, the lower two trims, you have a 2.0 non-turbo 4-cylinder. And then with the two higher trims, you have a 1.5 turbo VTEC that's available on that, all right? So that's going to be awesome and amazing too as well. We'll throw that horsepower, the torque, everything right down there below so you guys know the difference from there from the get-go. Now, the fuel economy is a whole different story too as well, because it's going to vary depending on the trim. So I'm going to have that up there right now for a little bit longer than usual. So you guys have a moment, feel free to pause the video so you can read all that going on right now, okay? Now, as you guys are reading that, let's also talk about your interior measurements too, okay? Because you know you'll be taking some passengers, friends, cargo, stuff like that with you guys. Let's throw that right up there so you guys can see that right now. I'd like to also hear at the end of this video which one's going to best suit you guys, okay? Which one you think is going to win, which one you're going to choose between the hatchback or the sedan. Now, let's talk about the passenger volume space that's going to be in there. Got to make sure your passengers are comfortable, right? And then, let's throw cargo right up there. All right, well, if you guys want more detailed information about these models or different trims, feel free to check out my walk-around videos or show you more in detail, showing you the cool standard features and functions. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions as I come across those. Well, thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.